What's going on, y'all? It's Landon with Aqualux Auto Detailing. Happy Monday to everybody. Wanted to show y'all a stain. I don't even know if it's a stain. I think it's maybe more. I'm going to zoom in. Sorry about the lighting. Alright, so that's what I'm dealing with. Yes, I know I did a tape line. Forgive the sunlight. So I've not cleaned anything. Oh, look. Sweat drops. Anyways, so I'm really going to be focusing on this right here. And I want to get this area cleaned up, so bear with the camera really quick. And I'll refocus it and zoom y'all out, right? Okay, so y'all can see what I'm doing. Hopefully this is a little bit quieter. So I wanted to attack this, and I kept thinking, what do I want to do? I'm not sure, and I made a decision. Went really hard. Super clean aerosol. This is probably one of my staples in my out of all the products I use, so I love this. Super clean. Thank you so much for making a fabulous product. This stuff rocks. So I haven't touched this spot with anything, so I'm gonna zoom y'all in. There's no funny business going on. Alright, I'm gonna zoom in. Hold on. Alright, so I really want to focus on this spot right here, and maybe we'll hit the rest of it. Okay, so without further ado, I'm gonna hit it with this, and we're gonna let it sit for about 30 seconds or so. Alright, and we're gonna see. Oh, I love it because it just foams and clings. Alright, y'all are gonna see this actually working. Maybe a little much, but whatever. Alright, and I got some distilled water. Whoop, there you go. So it's distilled water, just water. Alright, I'm gonna put it on my scrub brush right over here, my handy dandy scrub brush. Whoop. Alright, and we're gonna get, oh, can you look at it? Oh, I hope y'all can see that. It's just breaking this stuff down already. Yummy! Gotta love detailing, right? I love it when I have a product like this that pretty much makes my life 10 times easier. Right? Excuse the noise, got a truck going by real quick. Alright, so I think I let it sit for like 30 seconds or so, right? Okay. So like I said, I'm really focusing on this spot right here. I think I am almost done, alright? Okay, and I'll put this to the side, and whoop, where'd the water go? Here we go. Alright, so I'm gonna hit this with water, and y'all are just gonna see it. I got some rags actually right here. I hope y'all can see that. It just busted all of it. I mean, it just busted all that up. Oh my word. What a great product. Woo! Would you look at that? Woo! I love it. Sorry. I get a little excited. Sorry, I get a little excited when I'm right over here, Peanut. What's up, baby girl? So I get a little excited when a product like that does this.
Hey, you at the back.
I'm cleaning and I'm making a YouTube video.
Is this our car?
Yes, this is.
So, are you cleaning it?
I am.
Hey,
So
what is that?
that's tape. Alright. Hold on real quick, y'all. It's my daughter Alyssa. You want to say hi, Alyssa? Say hi.
Hi.
Alright, so really quick, hold on. That's my daughter Alyssa. I love all three of our kids. She's 3.5 and she's all energy all day long, and I love it. It's so much fun. Okay, so hey, can you hand Daddy that rag right there? That'd help me out a lot. Okay, there we go. Alright, now I'm gonna take just a wet rag with water on it and mop up really quick. Just wipe up.
We're gonna dry it.
I know. Then I gotta dry it, right? See, my daughter's better at commentating than I am.
Yep. Then we're gonna blow dry it.
Yes, I think we're gonna blow dry it.
Yep.
I think we should. That's a great idea. I think I will get some air. Do you want to hand Daddy his air gun over there?
Yep.
Be a big help. Okay. Why don't we get that?
Can I do it?
Okay. Go ahead, Skyler. You wanna grab it
Go get
for
the
me?
blower over there.
Yeah.
Well, it's right there.
All right. So
Alright,
as y'all can see.
got it. Look,
Okay. Thank you. Alright, so as you can see, it has really done a fantastic job on this spot. Here, I'll let you guys zoom in really quick. Would you look at that? Oh my goodness, whoa, sorry about that. There we go. Okay, I'm going to get another rag really quick just to make sure, but up again. Let's make sure there's nothing else on there, right? And then I'll wipe. So, I think this is a phenomenal product. Alright? Love this stuff. So, if y'all are looking for something that'll save you time, not just in areas like this, but door jams, the engine, I mean, there's so many uses for this. So, just wanted to show you all that real quick, and then I'm gonna pull this tape up. Here, hold on. Pull this tape up, and then I'm gonna wipe that, and I'm gonna let y'all take a peek. All right. I'm gonna grab the camera and swing y'all around. Y'all can tell the difference. Clean right here. Dirty right here. Look at that. Look at that. I mean, amazing. Beautiful. Thank you again, Super Clean. Y'all are amazing. Thank y'all so much for making an outstanding product. Alright guys, that's all I got for y'all today. Thank you so much for checking this out and just doing everything y'all do and the support you give me. I really appreciate it. I hope y'all have a great Monday night. Love y'all.